Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use pre-wash function on Samsung front load washing machine. This is the Bespoke AI model. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung Bespoke AI front load washing machine model, but these steps could be applicable for other similar Samsung front load washing machines too. Pre-wash, as the name says, is a wash which is done before our main wash. We usually do this if our clothes are very dirty and if we want some additional washing for that. It will take some extra time to complete all this as well. Mostly this will be done using cold water, and some wash cycles like Hull, Delicates, Quick Wash, etc. may not have this function. So we will see the steps now. First we will put some clothes inside. After adding the clothes, we can close this. Then we can open the detergent drawer. So here usually we will have 3 compartments. First one is the main wash, then the fabric softener, then the pre-wash. We will have these 3 compartments. The first one is the main wash. This is usually indicated by the number or symbol 2. We can see that here. We have to put our liquid or powder detergent here for doing the main wash. Generally only this compartment is enough to do the washing. The second one is the fabric softener compartment. This is usually in blue color and indicated by a flower like symbol. We can see that here. Here we can add additional softener to get that extra softness and smell for our clothes. Again, this is not compulsory. And the third one is the pre-wash compartment. This is usually indicated by the number or symbol 1. We can see that here. This is an optional compartment which we can use if our clothes are very dirty and if we think they need additional washing. So let's get started now. Before that, I want to share something. Most brands don't recommend us to use liquid detergent for pre-wash because this flows in too early. We have a liquid detergent guide here for the main wash, but we don't have one like that for the pre-wash. So in short, some models recommend powder detergent for pre-wash. This may vary for your washing machine maybe depending on the model. So after inserting this liquid detergent guide here, we are going to add liquid detergent to the main wash compartment, some fabric softener. So we usually have this max line here, so we shouldn't overfill this. We have to keep a note of this. And now finally we are going to use powder detergent for the pre-wash. That's all. The quantity should be generally less than what we use for the main wash. It all depends on the number of clothes we have first. We can use liquid and powder detergent for the same wash cycle if we are going to use them in different compartments, but it is not recommended to mix them together. So we will close this now. So we have to turn on the washing machine if we haven't. Then we can use the dial to choose the wash cycle. We will go with cotton. Remember, some wash cycles don't support this pre-wash function. Now after choosing our main wash cycle, I'm going to select this hand icon. Then we will get this pre-wash option. Just select this circle to enable pre-wash on. We can see the pre-wash on message here. Now we can start the washing machine. That's all. It will sense the load first. As we can see, here it says pre-washing, and after this it will continue the main wash cycle. That's all. These are the steps to use pre-wash function on Samsung front load Bespoke AI washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.